Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I install these quick and easy jumbo goddess braids. This is the perfect style when you just want to put your hair up for a week or so. They're also extremely lightweight and comfortable to wear. So yeah, let's jump right into this tutorial. So whenever I do jumbo, any kind of box braids, I always like to do the rubber band method. So I already started sectioning my hair off. So now I'm just gonna continue to do that, show you guys how I do the front part. So before in the back I was just doing rows. I did 2 rows this way and then I did 1 row going from ear to ear, and now I sectioned off this area here. So in the front of my head I usually like to do like triangle style parts. I don't know, for some reason when I do jumbo braids, I just don't like how the spacing looks along my hairline. So I do prefer to do triangle in parts in the front. I'm going to start right now. And then to smooth my hair down into the little ponytails, I'm using Murray's black beeswax, and I'm also using this edges wax. It's like a edge control. The company name is Noblesse. I had never really heard of them, but I purchased this at my local beauty supply. I've been getting this for a couple of months now. And then I'm just using little standard little black rubber bands. You can also use the clear ones. They don't cause as much tension on your hair, but I feel like the clear ones, they pop too easily. So to be safe, I'm just going to use the black ones. And yeah. Just to clarify, I only do the triangle parting in the front, and then in this middle section I'm going back to doing like your regular box style parting. Again, it's just personal preference. I just prefer the way that the triangle parts look in the front, and it's easier for me to do the box braids in the middle and the back part of my head. Alright, so this is what I have so far. As far as the type of hair that you'll need 2 different types of hair. You'll need a Kanakalan braiding hair, and then you'll need some type of human hair, crochet, loose, wavy, curly type of hair for the ends. So the hair that I'm using some, like I said, regular braiding Kanakalan hair. I prefer to use the Rastafari brand, and this is, I believe, in the color number 1. Now, as far as my ends go, y'all don't be mad at me. Cleaned out my closet and I just had so much hair, and I just refused to go buy any new hair. So I'm just using a medley of all these different textures that I had just left over in my closet. But if you're starting with fresh new packs, just get the Freetress Water Wave. You can get the Freetress Bohemian Wave, and you can also get the Freetress Appeal. Any of those type of curl patterns will give you the wavy curly ends look. So yeah, braiding hair and then the Freetress wavy type of hair. So now I'm going to show you guys how I install the pieces. I'm not doing my braids super thick because I don't want them too heavy. So it's like a jumbo medium-ish type style. I'm using about this much hair per braid, and I'm going to taper the ends off. various ways that you can attach the hair. I'm going to show you guys how I do it. So I'm going to take the braiding hair, and you're going to make sure that your natural hair, your real hair, is in between, and that the braiding hair is at the base where the rubber band is at. So first I'm going to start by splitting my natural hair into 2 pieces. One of those pieces I'm going to attach to one side of the braiding hair, and then I'm going to split the other end of the braiding hair into 2 pieces, and I'm also going to attach my other piece of hair to that, and then I'm going to begin the braiding and create the knot. As you can see, the rubber band is hidden and you have the knot at the root, and then you can just braid it on down. And then you can also kind of see like where my real hair is kind of sticking up. It's not as bad as in the front, but in the back where my hair is coarser, I have a lot. You can see my natural hair kind of sticking up a lot. So then I just take some of that beeswax and smooth it into the braiding hair, and then just braid it down. And then once I have about this much left, I'm going to take some of that wavy hair, about this much. I'm going to stretch it to taper the ends off a little bit. And then I'm going to take that and feed it into the braid. And then I'm basically just going to braid until I run out of the braiding hair. And that is it. Okay, so when you stretch your hair, sometimes you get a lot of these like little flyaways. So I'm just gonna go in with my scissors and cut all of those away so the braids look neater. And my packs of hair were cut in half, so I had to stretch it kind of a lot. So I actually have a lot of flyaways. I was trying to cut them as I was installing it, but so now I'm just going to take some setting foam. And lastly, since these are goddess braids and they have the curly hair fed in at the bottom, you can't really dip them. So what I like to do is steam a wet towel in the microwave in like a plastic Ziploc baggie. And then I just kind of run it over the hair or over the braids. And this is going to get rid of some of that stiffness that dipping your braids would do. And after that, I am finished. Again, this is just like a quick style to get me through the week. If you want a more in-depth with like smaller braids, I do have a tutorial on how to do this style with small braids, so I'll link it down below. And thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you ladies next time.